In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5G, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and now click on Version. Here you will notice build number, so just tap on it 7 times, and now provide your password if you have one. Obviously you can use your face or fingerprint, like Face ID or fingerprint if you want to, but I provided the password, and now let's go back. And from now on you will be able to find developer mode under additional settings. Here it is, so just click to open, and now you've got the access to all the options, all the features. And for example, if you'd like to enable GPU debug layers, just mark it, and from now on it is active. Then you can switch it off the same way. To turn developer panel off, just unmark the switcher. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.